Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua that is very important when we travel to a new place. So we have to request Allah when we land there. So we have to request that time for the rizq halal, and the rizq should come from the lawful way, and also because of the changing of the climate, so different type of diseases or problems happen to the person, and the health problems possible. So when we request this dua, Allah removes all types of diseases or troubles or problems which are related to the climatic change. So person becomes, mashallah, healthy and nice. So this Allah's special mercies fall on the person. So we have to read this dua also. Allahumma arzuqna khairaha wasrif anna waba'aha. Allahumma arzuqna khairaha wasrif anna waba'aha. Allahumma arzuqna khairaha wasrif anna waba'aha. Allahumma, O Allah, marzukna, bless us the good subsistence, good rizq, khairaha, any good rizq, pak rizq, lawful rizq to provide us. Allahumma marzukna khairaha, O Allah, bless us with the provision of halal rizq or lawful rizq that is good for us. Wasrif anna, and remove from us and make away waba'aha, all types of climatic diseases or troubles, problems or epidemic, some type of diseases or troubles. So make them away from us. So we have to read this, inshallah. Allahumma arzuqna khairaha wasrif anna waba'aha. So when we read this one, inshallah, from that place, when we up to the time when we will stay at that place, so inshallah we will not feel any trouble in eating, drinking and other necessities which we need. So those will be fulfilled, inshallah, with the mercies of Allah through lawful way, inshallah. And we will be safe from climatic diseases or epidemics, some type of troubles, problems or health hazards. So Allah will save us from there, inshallah, from different type of things which are dangerous for our health. So we will be safe, inshallah. So this dua is more effective, and this is a remedy just for our health, our eating, drinking and what our necessities. So everything will be fulfilled by Allah. So Allah will arrange unseen help, inshallah. We will enjoy the good health and good life unless we will stay there. So we have to read this dua when we land on the new place, inshallah. Allahumma arzuqna khairaha wasrif anna waba'aha. Allah give us tawfiq to read it. Amiin.